Alright, so here we are at Duke's Custom Welding Repairs, and I wanted to show you the power cord wheel here. So the box is sitting a little crooked, but you can rotate this box with the motor in there any direction, depending on where your cord wheel is on the chute. And then we have the control box in and out. Nice stainless steel hose clamps on there, so you can just clamp it right onto the accumulator. Fancy little plugs, which we'll plug in here. And plugged in. We have two options: the manual right on the control box, or fancy remote. A little noisy because it's on the table. Everything you need is inside the box: battery, charger. You plug it in, bolt it on, you got yourself a power cord wheel.